Alright, thanks for checking out this 89 GMC Jimmy that we have. This thing is, I don't know, the word is probably awesome. Fully restored, completely repainted, painted the frame. It's got a Chevy crate motor. It's got a 350 horse, 350, 700 R4 transmission. It is carbureted. I do know in 89 this would have been fuel injected, but this is a built 350 motor. It's got a nice cam in it, carbureted engine. So these are really nice Toyo open country tires, 20-inch wheels. These are 37s, just to give you a sense. 4-inch lift. Kind of come in here a little bit and give you some ideas what's going on. New exhaust. It's not a brand new build. Even comes with, I don't know, her. Kind of show you underneath here. This is a rust-free New Mexico truck. Got another painting up underneath the tank here. It's big, 4-inch I'm guessing, maybe a little bit bigger, 4-inch with I think a little small body lift, but it is tall. Paint is really good, guys. I mean, like really good. I don't know what it costs to paint that thing, but it's nice. Lots of tread. I mean, we'll get into the door here. No side mirrors, they've been shaved off. This does have some electric door openers, so that will unlock it. There is even an auto start on it. Pretty much just plain Jane what you'd expect door panels. These seats are really cool. They are a power seat. It is a heated power seat, so it does go up and down, back and forth, has a lumbar. Truck needs to be running or have the power on in order to do so. But nice kind of tweed and vinyl / leather interior here. Fold down armrests on both sides. The odometer shows 15,318. And honestly, I just can't tell you if it's 115, 215, it doesn't really matter. I mean, the truck's been fully restored. It's got a kind of a current modern mirror. The dash has been completely painted to match the truck. No cracks in the dash pad. It's nice. Back seats, really nice. And another thing you don't see much, there's basically the headliner goes all the way back across the removable top. So it's kind of a molded headliner piece. It's really nice. Fully carpeted, nice custom door panels. I'm sorry, quarter panels. Let me see if we can just start this thing while we're standing here. I'm not even inside the truck, I'm just standing outside. Got a nice cam. It's got a nice lope to it. See if I can get this open with just one hand. Air conditioning. truck. Sounds good, looks good. I think we all know these are climbing through the roof. Soon we'll catch the first generation K5s. So asking $54,900 on this one. So $54,900 I do not think is out of line. Go find one that's rusted, a piece of junk. It's going to run you 15, 20 grand, and go try and duplicate the work that's been done to this one. It's going to cost you plenty. Go back to that power seat, sliding. Up and down. Tilt steering, cruise control. Sound system's okay, not great, okay. But who cares when the engine sounds like this? Alright, thanks for checking us out.